We are meeting very first time,
Hello,
and
Radhaji. How are you?
I am super. And how about you? Thanks for
I'm
asking.
also I'm also doing extremely great, and I'm full of beans right now. So, how was your day so far? How is your day so far?
My day it was so great, and today I have done something. And usually my day same and also so good.
hmm
So that's all about my day. So tell me about yourself.
So, my name is Megha. I hail from Uttarakhand, and currently I'm living in Delhi. If I talk about my education, I have completed my BSc from Delhi University. Nowadays, I'm working on my communication skills. I love interacting with people from different walks of life. And apart from this, I always try to, learn something new from every conversational video. I also run a YouTube channel with the name Megha's English Galaxy. In my leisure time, I listen to music, especially hymns, because they fill me with positivity and uplift my energy. So that's a little bit about me.
That's great. So beautiful your introduction.
Hmm.
So so
So may I know a little bit about you?
yeah, sure. Yeah. So my name is Radha. I'm from Madhya Pradesh, and also I'm running YouTube channel where I'm uploading some conversational videos and some solo videos. And if I talk about my education, I completed my bachelor's BSc Biotechnology in 2023, and recently I have completed my MA English Literature in 2025. And nowadays I am learning English. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to reading books, especially story books, kids story book, and reading, writing thoughts, and something like I have a green thumb. So especially I love to take care my plants which I planted, because when I see my plant is growing, I love to a lot. I feel so
Okay.
happy and energetic. So these are my hobbies, and I'm a mother of one child. My child is only 2 year old. It's so little, and nowadays I am trying to interact with new peoples, because people helps me to improve my confidence as well. And also they gives a lot of new hacks to improve English, and give me something important tips for learning English. So these are my hobbies. So that's all about me.
So that was a lovely introduction, Radhaji. So I want to ask you a question. How do
Okay.
you manage your English learning along with a kid, and that is too small? How do you
Yeah.
manage?
Yeah. So managing time, it's maybe difficult sometime, and whenever my husband it's all around me, I feel comfortable because he took properly and take care. So that is why I feel comfortable. And now my child is sleeping, so that is why I'm came here and talking with you. So this sometime I do with my parents, like in-laws. Yeah. And whenever I feel free time, then I can prefer to study, and then I do something work. Yeah.
Okay. So how does your daily routine look like?
My daily routine, like
Mhm.
house chores, and
Hmm.
sometimes I do field work, like now here is a village life, so sometimes I have a lot of work. And these days I didn't upload so many videos because I was busy to harvesting wheat crop and so many crops.
Yeah.
So I have so many work, but sometimes I manage, sometimes I just break my consistency. And also these days I didn't practice so much, and also I didn't make and didn't connect with peoples. And you are first after a long time I'm connecting.
Okay. So that's great. So you are speaking quite confidently. How did you gain this confidence?
Just because of practice, and I didn't join any coaching spoken classes. I just do by myself. I'm practicing with sometimes chat GPT and talking with strangers, and by reading book. And mostly I do shadow practice to speak better, to gain confidence. These are my things. which I do and I also doing.
Okay. So,
Mm.
are you comfortable in speaking before also, or you just improved your speaking over time?
Actually, to be honest, before started this journey, I didn't speak. It
Okay.
was a totally I blank, my mind blank. I did not speak English, but after running my YouTube channel, I can speak and these after joining this after starting my English journey, then I'm starting to learn English, reading, writing, everything, then I can speak. That is why I'm feel comfortable to connecting with people and speaking. And actually I not so speak so good. So these are the most thing, and I'm also making mistakes, but it is not so important. If our confidence is important, you speak
Mm-hmm.
confidently,
Yes,
that's
yes.
it.
Totally agree
Yeah,
with
and
you. So,
also
what did motivate you to learn this language? Why did you choose this language, English? What is the
actually, to be
reason?
honest, I watching some YouTube videos, and I found so many videos, co-learners who speak English, who make English conversation videos. And sometime I thought, I am free, so why not? I should start something different to do others from the others. So that is why I started to learn English. And basically, after learning, I can feel free. I can speak. Yeah.
Okay.
And who
So,
motivates me, especially for my husband, they support me to learn because he also a professor, so he want to learn. That is why.
okay.
Hmm.
So, he is a profession,
Yeah.
professor. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, that's great.
That's
So,
great.
it's very interesting story you shared,
Yeah,
whatever you
we
shared.
should
Yeah.
always go and learn something new and do something different. Then we can be success person and we can handle everything, because money it's so important to run our good family. If you want to have a beautiful life, you want to enjoy properly, so we need to a lot of things. So that is why I also want to improve myself. I want to do something better. And in my family, no anyone can run, no when anyone who running YouTube channel, and I'm only first to come on YouTube, come on social media to learn something, speak something. So I'm first.
Okay. So, actually, sometimes our motivation is self-growth and the desire to grow. So,
Yes,
I
yes.
think, yeah, that was also there in your
Mm.
case. Self-growth and desire to grow in life, right?
Yeah, goal is so
Okay.
important, because goal
Hmm.
is our like our life. If we have a goal, then we can do. Otherwise, our life is like a useless. We are just doing house shows and just sitting in the room in the house,
Hmm.
and life is not like just a certain stop.
Yeah, if
So
you
I
don't have a goal in your life, you will, just keep running like a headless chicken. So you should
yeah
have a goal if you want to, you know, do something in
mm,
your life. And for that, you have to
yeah.
do something extraordinary in order to achieve your goal, right?
So I totally resonate with you.
Hmm.
So may I know about your side? Why you started this journey? Why did you start, and how did you learn English?
Okay, so if I talk about myself, as I already told you, learning English, the motivation was self-growth and desire to grow in life. So that was my motivation. And if I talk about my journey, so I started this journey, speaking journey, this year only, I would say. And I started my channel in April 2025 last year. But I was not consistent because there were personal challenges, lots of ups downs were there. So I decided to change my niche from in the starting of my YouTube channel, I used to upload videos related to grammar only. Then I realized that it is too much, it is taking too much, it was taking too much time. Like for example, you had to prepare notes, grammar notes in a proper way, then writing on the whiteboard, then recording multiple times. So I had to I had to give many retakes, and I had a limited time. So I decided why not I change my niche from grammar to conversational videos. Along with that, I also wanted, one of the reasons was that I also wanted to work on my communication skills, but I never got that time for my speaking. So
Hmm.
in the month of December, this thought came to my mind. I have to improve on my communication skills. So December 2025, this thought came to my mind, and from then I started working on my speaking. Like for example, I started with listening to different conversational videos and conversational videos, podcast, small short videos related to English, and then I got to know about speaking practice apps like Ace Fluency app, CV app. So I did my practice with my co-learners. Along with that, I also used to practice with ChatGPT, and so it was my listening and speaking practice, which I have been doing for last 3 to 4 months, I would say. So and then I started uploading conversational videos in March 2026. So I'm very new in this field in conversational videos, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to put my best foot forward. So let's see what happens. So that's
That's
my
so
journey so
lovely.
far. Yeah.
That's so lovely. Every learners goes same through. So it
Yeah.
is not so our personal, because every learner, every especially for wife and a housewife, they goes through this language. They uh, do first our housework and then make videos. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's hmm,
Right. Right.
yeah. So do you have any child?
No, I don't have yet. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm free from that responsibility now. But I have a lot of things on my plate, but child responsibility is a separate responsibility, I would say.
Yeah,
So
it's
right
so
now
sad.
I'm, yeah,
Managing it's so difficult.
yes, yes,
Managing
yes.
it's very difficult with the child, because I have child, so I know sometime I I leave so many conversations just because of my child. Sometime he woke
Because you know, the
up and
children do
talking.
not have fixed timing.
Yeah,
Right.
no any fixed timing, and they cannot understand properly what I am doing, should I disturb or not.
Hmm.
They are just came
He is
and
only two
start
years
talking.
old now. He's only 2 years old.
Only 2 year old.
Yeah. So that's why. But
That's why.
down the line, he will understand when he will
Yeah.
grown up. Yeah.
Hmm. He will understand. So do
Yes,
you have any
definitely.
question?
Sorry, I didn't
Do you have
hear
any
you.
question?
Yes, I'm thinking, okay, so you have one kid. And
Yeah.
along with your kid, you are doing your household chores, you are taking care of your family, you are living with your in-laws also, right? So
Right.
sometimes do you feel frustrated sometime? By thinking I have a lot of things on my plate, how would I manage? I'm not able to upload videos, I'm not able to interact with people nowadays. So these types of thoughts come in your mind or not? Sometimes.
Yeah, sometime it's truly, sometime it's come in my mind. I should I should give up. I will not record my video. I will not upload. Sometime I thought, but after passing hours and 1 day, 2 day, I realized no, it's my responsibility. So
Yes.
if I run away from my responsibility, so how I can manage, how I can achieve my goal. So
Yes.
sometimes like thoughts come in my mind, but it was not so stay, because I want to something do better. So sometime I forget all the things and I restart my practice, and doing managing after completing all the work, then I feel whenever I feel free, then I restart my journey, then I start making videos. So yeah,
Okay.
sometimes that negative thinkings come in my mind. It's totally, I think it's our human nature. It's human
Yes.
tendency. So that is why sometimes I feel.
Yes, you are, completely right. It's our responsibility. And if I would say, I would say, family should be our first priority. Okay.
Yeah,
So we
first
cannot, yeah, we should not run away from all these responsibilities because these responsibilities should be our first priority. and then after other things will lie. So yeah, I can resonate with you because I am on the same boat. I would say I'm on the same page if I talk about
Hmm.
this matter, because sometimes it happens to me also. If I'm not able to upload videos due to other things, but then I realize it is also very compulsory. Yeah, it's also
Happened.
compulsory to do. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Sometimes it's happened with whenever I start to uploading any YouTube channel, then any work come to around me. So we feel like that, what I can do, I should first do this work or that this work, then our mind is feel like so frustrated and feel like a tension. So how I would manage. So sometimes it's happened with everyone.
Yeah. So, you know what I do? I always try to make my mornings productive, because
Hmm.
if I'm able to make my mornings productive, then my entire day go in a well way, in a proper way. So
Hmm.
that's how I set the tone for my entire day, by making my mornings productive. But it is not necessary that we are able to make our mornings productive every day. Sometimes some things come in your way, okay?
Hmm.
But I always try to make my mornings productive. Yeah.
Yeah, morning it's our like a very peaceful time when we woke up. So it was a so lovely time. Then we can spend with ourselves. We can talk with ourselves through our
Yes.
planning and what we can do in our morning. So morning time it's very peaceful and so lovely.
So, okay. So, do you have a structured daily routine, or you just go with the flow? Do you have a structured morning routine, or you just go with the flow?
Actually, for practicing, I'm not using any structure. And for my morning routine, in the morning I woke up, and sometime my sleep it's not so complete, so I woke up sometime late, like a 6 a.m., 7 a.m. But then after I woke up, I have to um, prepare dinner. Sorry, prepare
Breakfast.
yeah, breakfast for my in-laws and also my husband. Then in the afternoon, when I feel free time, then I start study and recording my video. Usually afternoon I use my time.
Okay, so your mornings are not too much productive. You make your afternoon productive,
Yeah,
right?
afternoon productive. Because in the
Okay.
morning I have work.
No, yeah, you have a lots of things. Okay, no problem. So it's depend on, our routine. Someone has time in the evening, someone has time in the morning, someone has time in the afternoon. So we should manage our time accordingly,
Yeah.
right? It's not
Now,
compulsory that you have to put efforts in the morning or you have to put efforts in the evening, then only you will get hang of this language. So it's not compulsory. It's depend on your daily routine, and it also depend on how how your daily routine goes,
mm,
right?
okay. So now
Yes,
time.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it's
Please continue.
lovely talking to you, Radhaji, and
Hmm.
I'm looking forward to having a more conversation with you. So we'll see you on that conversation. Take care. Bye bye. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, it's lovely talking. It was so lovely talking. So
Okay.
now, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.